Hello everyone, welcome to the 9th video from the asset series. Today we are going to see 4 different questions from the math asset paper of grades 6 through 9. This is a grade 6 question. Let us begin with this first. 2 units of measuring temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, as we all know. If we multiply a Celsius temperature by 9, then divide it by 5 and add 32, we get the Fahrenheit temperature. So, what is said in words here must be literally translated into an expression and then an equation for us to be able to proceed. So, to get the Fahrenheit, we can get the Fahrenheit temperature by, so which means F equal to multiply the Celsius by 9. 9 into C. Then divided by 5 and add 32. This is what it literally means. So this is the translation from the statement to the equation. Now how much is 15 degrees centigrade they are asking. So in place of C we will substitute 15. Since this term has to be simplified first, we can reduce 3 5s are 15, 9 3s are 27 plus 32, which gives a 59. 59 is going to be the answer for this question. Coming to the question on the right top is a grade 7 question. A red glass and a blue glass are completely filled with juice. Rosie drank 1/4 of a juice from red glass and Balu drank half the juice from the blue glass. So if both of them drank equal amounts, which of the following statements is true? Before we go on to read the options, let us just try to write in an expression and try to analyze what is going on. There is a red glass, there is a blue glass. Rosie is drinking 1/4 from the red. So 1/4 of, in mathematics is multiplication, 1 by 4 into R or 1 by 4 R. And Balu is drinking half of B. Now since it says that both had equal amounts, it means 1/4 of R equal to half of B. Which means R by 4 is B by 2. Let us try to get what is R in terms of B or what is B in terms of R. So R becomes, when 4 goes to the opposite side, 4B by 2, which is 2B. So if R is 2B, it means the amount of liquid that R can hold or its capacity is twice as that of B. Naturally implying that R is bigger than B. The options are red glass is bigger than blue glass is bigger than red glass, both are equal, cannot compare. Clearly, we got the first one. So this is the answer. Hope that was clear. This is how we have to proceed. Now, coming back to the question on the left bottom, this is a grade 8 question. Okay, so this is grade 8. It says there are 40 animals in a farm. Half of them are cows. 40 is total. Cow is 20. Remaining half goats. So obviously goat is 20. If G represents the number of goats, since it says small g, let's also go with that. G is goats. Which of the following is true? G is 20, we know. Let us see where it matches. In place of G, if you put 20, 20 plus half is clearly not 40. G plus G by 2, 20 plus 20 by 2 is 10. 20 and 10 gives 30, not 40. This is also wrong. G by 2 is 40 means, when you divide the number of goats by 2, you get 40. No, that's wrong. In fact, it's the opposite. Since goat is half, when you double the goats, twice into goats gives 40, is true. It's fairly simple, but when they ask options like this, it's easy for anybody to get confused. So, option D is the final answer. Now coming to the last question here on the bottom right is a grade 9 question. From sequences and series, you have a pattern of intersecting circles. First, you have a single circle, obviously no intersection. When two circles intersects, the points are, you're getting 2 points of intersection. When 3 circles intersect, you're getting 4 points. When 4 circles, we are getting 6 points and so on. So obviously the figure is given here in numbers. The number of circles is C, number of points of intersection is N. Which of the expression gives the number of circles when there are n points of intersection? So that's like a generalized term they are asking. Finding the nth term has a formula, but here it's fairly easy because you have 4 terms. All you have to do is, since number of points of intersection has a couple of values, from the table of values, just substitute. When we do 0 minus 2, we should get 2. Whereas here it is 1. So this option is wrong. 2 into 0 minus 2 is also minus. This is minus 2. This is also minus 2. But you should get 1 again wrong. N by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. But there is 1 here. This is n plus 2 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2 is 2 by 2, which is 1. Matches with this. Now, this is the first option that is matching. Let us check the others also. 2 plus 2 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2. Matches as well. Then 4 plus 2 by 2, 6 by 2, 3. Again matches. 6 plus 2 by 2, 8 by 2, 4. Matches. So clearly this is the correct option. N plus 2 by 2. Okay. So this is how we have to do. Well, since it's a fairly small expression and the numbers are also not very big, substituting straight away gives us the answer. So I hope that was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.